How to share a Spotify song with sound into Instagram stories. So if you want to share a Spotify song with sound into Instagram stories, then let me tell you one thing, that you can't add sound on Instagram stories. So there is a way. What you can do is you just need to open up your Spotify application at first and choose the song which you would like to share to your Instagram story. So simply choose the song. Once you've chosen the song, you need to go for the share option, which is on the bottom right. Just tap on copy link and copy the link. Once you've copied the link, now you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, go for your story, which is on the upper left. Tap on camera and simply take a story. So I'll be choosing a black background. Once you've taken, now you need to go for music, which is on the upper right, and simply search for the music that you would like to add from your Spotify. So I'll be adding this song, right? So simply choose the song and you can choose the last interface, which is this one, and then tap on done, which is on the upper right. Once you've choose the song, now you will have music, right? So now if you want to share the Spotify song, then you need to go for the stickers option, which is on the upper right, and under stickers here you will have an option of link. Tap on link and here you need to paste the link which you have just copied. Tap on done and here you will have your link, right? So what you need to do is simply adjust your link and your song, and that's it. Now you can simply add that to your story. So that's how you can share a Spotify song with sound into your Instagram stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.